What it do, fragrance familia? It's your boy Johnny Sense here, man. In today's video, we gonna talk about Christopher Lee fragrances. He's somebody on YouTube that talks about fragrances. Y'all go check him out. You know, he's got decent content, you know, all that good stuff for all our fragrance lovers out there. But today in particular, we gonna talk about this Messiah's Elixir. My name's Johnny Sense, and if you guys like fragrance content, fragrance talk, anything like that, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. But yes, Messiah's Elixir. This is supposed to be one of his best creations that he's made. He has his own line of fragrances that he has created himself. So kudos and shout out to the dude for doing his thing. I apologize for me crouching down in this kind of video style, but this is straight raw. We left the South and we over here in Missouri, Kansas City. Shout out to Kansas City. Thank you for having us here. But yes, so straight into this. This is what the bottle is going to look like. You know, I got his little sampler set. Pretty decent. You know, I definitely do like the presentation, the cap. Just a few things to mention. I noticed some like leakage going on. Maybe you guys can't see through the camera here. Super bright. But yeah, I do get like a little leakage, so, you know, maybe his actual bottles are better. But I do get a little leakage, and I feel like when it comes to the caps, like I can't really push down all the way. If not, I'm a spray and I'm a leave some liquid, because I definitely see some liquid in here. But screw all that, man. That's just for the people who care about the details. You know, I do sometimes as well, man. But the scent itself, how does it smell? And it's leaking, baby. So I'm gonna tell you, I brought this in my luggage, and when I opened it, I could smell fragrance. I don't know how much leakage we got in our fragrance bag in our luggage, but something was smelling good. That's why I had to make this video for you guys. But if you guys can see, little sprayer. I got no scent on today, so we'll do 3 sprays on the arm. Okay, 10 mLs is what it says right here on the bottom. That's what you get. And the smell itself, like I said, it definitely smells nice. Sweet, fruity, fresh, musky. Okay, I don't get the Elixir vibe, as in, like, you know, Elixirs usually, for me, for the most part, from what I've smelled, are like bam, you know what I mean? They just hit you. It just goes everywhere, right? Performance is close to beastly, if not beastly, right? I'm not getting that here, which there have been some Elixirs, I guess, that don't perform like that. But I'm not gonna lie, straight off of first impressions, this is definitely a solid 8, creeping up to a 8.5. I want to say 8.2. You know, for those people who like the fruity, fresh, sweet, musky, clean wood, airy type of scent profiles, you know, it's usually pretty mass appealing. Sometimes it can come across as pretty unisex. I would say similar thing here. I get like a sweet candied kind of vibe, almost like a peach. But not peach. But that's kind of what my brain is trying to like tag it to. But definitely some nice fruits, almost tropically, but I don't get super tropically like a Vulcan Flare, anything like tropical mango or guava, nothing like that. But just some nice blend of sweet fruits, almost like a smoothie. Take away the milk. But yeah, really nice and refreshing. Definitely give it like a nice solid 8. Kudos to the guy for doing his thing, for dropping a fragrance like this. I was really interested. There was definitely a lot of hype with the Messiah's Elixir. I believe he has 50% concentration on his fragrances, which is insane. 50%. That is supposed to be pretty strong or very high concentrated in oil. So what I can expect from this is almost like an extrait type of performance. Maybe big blast for the first hour, maybe even the first 3 hours. You might have really good sillage. Longevity is going to be good, but, you know, after 4 hours, skin scent. It might be less here. You know, I'm going to step out with the boys here. We're going to get some late breakfast, damn near some brunch. Go watch the Spider-Man movie. Shout out to Spider-Man. You know, I'm already knowing it's probably gonna be a really good movie. But yeah, see if I get any compliments or anything like that, you know. And I'll keep you guys posted for sure. I have some other fragrances from him, so if you guys have any other questions or any other fragrances from his line in particular that you guys want my opinion about, definitely let me know in the comments. Appreciate all the support, you guys. I'm out here in Kansas City. I try to bring some of my stuff. You already know, I can't fit all of it in my luggage, and the most important, the audio, the little clips so I can walk around and stuff. I didn't bring that, unfortunately, so this is how I'm gonna have to do it, because I gotta drop this content for you guys. Love, appreciate all the support. Hype the video, more fragrance content. Messiah's Elixir, man. Dope stuff, good stuff. Shout out to for Christopher's Lees. See you guys next time. Peace.